Hello everybody, welcome to Trumpbottom Manor. My name is Lord Humphrey Tarquin Trumpbottom, and this is Scratchit.
Scratchit. My name is not Scratchit, it's Scratchit.
Really?
Scratchit. Yes, really.
I call him Scratchit. Anyway, I am the Lord of the Manor.
And I am the butler.
You're a terrible butler.
In Europe.
What was that?
Nothing. Carry on, come on.
I hope you're going to behave today.
I am.
You have to be polite to me.
I know.
Just do it properly. We live at Trumpbottom Manor. I live here in the house.
And I live in the shed.
Oh yes, we do. I live with Lady Trumpbottom.
And I live with the dogs.
Yes, he does. It's smelly. Yeah. We would like to help you learn English.
Awesome.
Say awesome, Scratchit. Americans say awesome and we're British.
I like Americans.
What do you mean you like Americans?
I like them.
Oh! In each of our videos, we will help you to communicate better in English. We will help you with things like the past times and the present times and in the future and sentences and
Grammar.
oh yes, grammar. We will help you with words and giving names for things and what things mean and
Vocabulary.
Ah yes, vocabulary. We will also help you with how to say things properly, how to sound nice. Yeah.
Pronunciation.
Oh yes, pronunciation. Yes.
Pronunciation.
And what else? Oh yes, how to say things in certain situations, sentences for certain, what do we call it? Phrases will help you with those too. Good.
Yes.
Anything else, Scratchit?
Scratchit.
Sorry.
My name is Scratchit.
Sorry.
Scratchit.
Anything else?
Well, I will teach you how not to sound stupid like him.
What? Scratchit?